May I tell us if the police they never lock up anybody and don't drag she in with the locking up. Me name all and me shot them. The crocodile, she might wasn't on the spot to know that Jayden is not coming back. But she knew. She knows. What we say? The crocodile knew. Tiger, how do you come to that conclusion? So the crocodile know. The crocodile tell we say she spent half an hour in the mother's. And I know for a fact that she didn't spend half an hour in the mother's. In fact, she didn't go to mother's. So my question is this: why you're trying to add an extra half an hour on the time, and your daughter try to add an hour? That's an hour and a half you don't put by in time, because you know why you want to do that? You are trying to discredit Mr. T. Because Mr. T, you think that the black of them have no problem. Daughter, what go on, mama? I know Mr. T have no problem. No problem. I know we the blackers have no problem. No problem is Mr. T. You hear me? I tell you now. I know the black of them have no problem. No, my love. No problem is Mr. T. So if you and your crocodile mama can come now and get with a belief in our head, so you spend an hour at the hospital when time you come, and your mama spend half an hour at the mother's, Mr. T account will be in the dust. Mr. T going to the police station 6:30, 6:45 would have been in the wind. And anyhow, when you get that end of the wind, when you get to scotch free. What me say? People, the mama, the crocodile mama, and the hyena picnic. That is a weird combination, because I don't know how the hell one crocodile come for have an hyena picnic. You understand? Them people are weird. Oh no, weird bad, because I don't know how the hell crocodile time to get hyena picnic. But anyway, anyhow, they had tried to sink that in our head, and we believe that the story there. May I tell us they that drag up Mr. T from underneath the bus and fling him straight underneath the train. Believe me, trust me and God. Because remember, you know, Mr. T said he got the station 6:30, 6:45. Hear me out. Mr. T said he got the station 6:30, 6:45 with the crocodile, Boaty, Grasmite, and a father. Right? No, listen to that. The crocodile was there, Boaty was there with Mr. T. Then the hyena tell us say she reached at the hospital 7:09. I wonder if you not follow me. Guys, we're gonna some yellow and some blue at night chat. Please and thanks, because I don't know if you not follow me. We're gonna some yellow art and some blue art night chat, guys. Please and thanks for representing for Jayden. Guys, when you can make yourself, you can put it at 100,000 likes or so. Guys, if you're not new to the live stream, come here, let me tell you something to you. If you're not new to the live stream, my name is me. Welcome. God bless you all, and I am happy that you decide to stop in this live stream this morning. but we have 2 rules over here. Please to follow the host and please to tap your phone screen till you hear pie, pingalingle, chingalingaling, pie. You understand? Do this until your phone scream until you hear chingalingaling, pie, clap, pingalingaling, pie. I don't know if I broke or something, but it told me quite nice. But knock your phone screen nice. Don't knock it with no hammer, no nail or so. Knock it with your finger, do so. Right? We don't do this. Yeah. And if you're new, welcome. Welcome. You are always welcome here. Don't be a stranger. Just click onto the house and follow the house. And don't be a stranger. Follow the house will make you get the most. Okay? Okay, so Cardwell, here what happened now. I to an extent I can agree with you, but here what me feel. That's your opinion. Hear my opinion now. Because Jayden is a kid when they really give trouble. And they come out and talk it out of their own tap batty as well. Jayden don't really give trouble. You understand? So when time they say 6 o'clock, remember the crocodile, when they ask the crocodile say, what time is it latest he ever come in? The crocodile say, minutes to 6. You understand what I say? So because them know say is a kid where, remember for the last 7 years them got it, they know how him stay, they know him temperament, they know say not on a road. So when them go home now, they reach home about 6:30 about 6:25, 6:30 then reach home. So the fact that them go home that time then don't see him raise an alarm in their head. You understand where I come from? Probably be if a goatee then go home and never say goatee, they wouldn't go to the police station so early because they know say goatee are all scammer. Because one lady were at the shopping at the community, the lady said to me, said, Jayden, even if one dog run on Jayden would have never tap and pick up one stone to fill after a dog. He might turn up right there. So the moral of the story is not a troublesome kid. So when you have a kid where you know say you're a kid, come home 2 o'clock every day, and 3 o'clock come one day and you know say your kid, that I go raise great concern. Right. You understand? That I go raise great concern. Great concern. And Mr. T, you hear Mr. T say no. Him go down at the police station and tell him, say, listen, my grandnephew no come home with a ray. And I want to make a statement and tell him, say, come on. The police then said to him, say, no make a statement. Go look and come back. Because rain a fall. And because me as a parent, me that said to myself, say, well, rain a fall heavy and a child. So say, adult I go get in a taxi first and then sit there before him. So me wouldn't appreciate so. But you're probably onto something as well. Them suspect big time, especially Mr. T. And you can also write, because remember the remarks when Mr. T passed the market morning, if you can't be good, be careful. Remember I say no. G-Star morning, my darling. Remember I say no. Jail what happened? Remember say, Jail, oh my God. Remember say no. Mr. T did make a thing in the morning, Say if you can't be good, be careful. And this was Friday morning when the girl in a communication from last night. You understand me? I said to you, say Mr. T probably a year when the John credit myself on the phone, Like, can you remember say Mr. T said when my wife ready for start arguing, Mr. T I said, come man, I'm gonna go to the hospital. So not more than the wife and Mr. T I drive to the hospital, When the woman say she call her daughter when Spider-Man put the pan Jayden, So Mr. T I drive to the hospital, she call her daughter. So Mr. T could hear when she and the daughter talk about now. So Mr. T gets scared for Jayden. So that's why I end up telling that in the morning. Because of the conversation where him a hear hear them a talk on the phone. You understand where I come from? So yes, you're probably right. You're probably right. Them probably Mr. T probably hear something overnight. Because regardless of how the child stay, I still believe you're right. That's quick. If you listen, your child come home 6 o'clock. 6:30, you're not supposed to reach on the police station. So you're right, that is still quick. That's very quick. In a hall quickie, that is quickly. So you are right. You are right. But for me personally, I don't think Mr. T was aware of what